My transition from Earth was silent. No flash, no tremor, just a seamless shift. It was as if the universe itself had gently turned a page, and I had slipped between the lines, unnoticed by the world I left behind. There was no warning, no sense of movement, only a sudden, profound stillness. One moment, I was in my observatory, surrounded by familiar instruments and the quiet hum of earthly life. The next, I found myself somewhere utterly alien, a place that defied all logic and expectation. The air itself felt different, charged with possibility. The air thrummed with ancient power, thick and electric, filling me with awe. Every breath seemed to vibrate with energy, as if the very atmosphere was alive with memory and intent. I could almost hear a low, resonant hum echoing through the chamber. I knew instantly, this was not Earth. The rules here were different, the very fabric of reality subtly altered. My senses strained to take in the impossible shapes and colors that surrounded me. The ground beneath me pulsed with warmth, organic and alive, shifting in response to my steps. Each footfall sent ripples of light across the floor, as if the ship itself acknowledged my presence. The chamber was vast, its walls woven from silvery light, curving into darkness like a nebula's heart. The space seemed to breathe, expanding and contracting with a rhythm all its own. There were no doors, no seams, just a living architecture, welcoming me. The boundaries between structure and life blurred, as if the ship was both shelter and sentient companion. This was the Three-Eye Atlas, a name that arrived in my mind as pure understanding. It was as if the ship itself whispered its identity, bypassing language and speaking directly to my soul. I was not abducted, but invited. There was a sense of welcome, a gentle urging to explore, to learn, to witness. The patterns beneath my feet brightened as I moved, the space illuminating to reveal a cathedral-like scale. The architecture soared above me, impossibly high, filled with shifting light and color. The structure felt grown, not built, shaped by intentions beyond comprehension. Every curve and surface seemed to pulse with purpose, as if the ship was alive with ancient wisdom. I realized I was chosen as a witness, not a specimen. My presence here was not an accident, but a calling. The silence was filled with a sense of purpose, a call to see the universe as it truly is. In that quiet, I felt the weight of destiny settle on my shoulders. My journey had just begun. Each step forward was a step into the unknown, a promise of discovery and transformation. I was here to bear witness to the silent symphony of the cosmos. The universe was opening itself to me, note by note, in a language older than time. The adventure was no longer about looking up at the stars, but stepping among them. I was no longer an observer. I was a participant in the great unfolding story of the cosmos. The Three-Eye Atlas was a living labyrinth, biology and technology fused into art. No corridors, no straight lines, pathways formed and glowed, guiding me intuitively. The crystalline walls revealed ghostly outlines of other chambers, layered like a cosmic blueprint. The air was pure, tailored for me, a sign of the ship's care. Spheres of light drifted by, pulsing with intelligence, observing or tending the ship. Touching the walls, I saw galaxies, star births, and planets, direct access to the ship's memory. The Atlas was a library, a historian, its knowledge overwhelming and humbling. No controls, just thought and intention guiding everything. This was a sanctuary for learning, awakening, and understanding. For years, Earth's telescopes caught strange signals, fast radio bursts, debated endlessly as cosmic noise. We never imagined they were messages. On the Atlas, I learned the truth. The signals were a call, crafted for us to notice. They were a test. Could we see beyond the obvious? The real message was in the rhythm, a mathematical language containing physics, elements, and a galactic map. We mistook a cosmic greeting for static. The Atlas wasn't shouting, but whispering, waiting for us to truly listen. The signals were an invitation to think bigger, to realize we're not alone. They were the first note in a symphony connecting countless worlds. The ship had broadcast its song for centuries, waiting for us to finally hear. Now I understood, it was a greeting from an ancient friend. The Three-Eye Atlas is no asteroid. It's a crafted emissary, built by a species that became pure consciousness. Its mission to awaken civilizations on the brink of self-awareness. The Atlas is a sower of awakenings, visiting worlds ready to question their place in the cosmos. It doesn't interfere, only opens a door to the wider universe. Its memory holds the stories and art of vanished species, a cosmic library. Life, it shows, is not rare, but a universal expression. The Atlas chose Earth. Watching us grow from stone tools to spaceflight, it waited for us to be ready, arriving at our crossroads, destruction or transcendence. Its purpose is to nudge us toward our potential, not to rule or rescue. The Atlas is here to remind us of the incredible possibilities we hold. The Atlas led me to a viewing deck, no glass, just an unfiltered, breathtaking vista of the cosmos stretching endlessly before me. Stars shifted in a slow ballet as space bent around us, our destination drawing ever nearer with each passing moment. Earth shrank to a distant mote, humbling and liberating all at once. My worries faded, replaced by awe at the universe's vast and overwhelming scale. Nebulae bloomed, galaxies spun, each a city of suns, each sun a world teeming with possibility. I saw the universe as a living whole, not just scattered objects drifting in emptiness. The Atlas let me feel the cosmos, its light, its music, its deep interconnectedness. Earth was my home, but the cosmos was now my vast and wondrous neighborhood. The Atlas is no threat, its silence is generosity, its power a gift. It does not come to conquer or to judge, but to illuminate. In its presence we are invited to listen, to reflect, and to grow beyond the boundaries we have set for ourselves. It is a teacher, here to awaken us from our planetary slumber. The Atlas arrives not with demands, but with questions. Questions that challenge us to reconsider our place in the universe and the legacy we wish to leave behind. It offers not weapons, but perspective. Through its example, we are reminded that true strength lies in understanding, and that wisdom is the greatest gift any visitor could bring. Our conflicts and borders are meaningless in the cosmic context. From the Atlas's vantage point, the divisions we cling to fade away, replaced by the undeniable truth of our shared existence. We are all crew on a fragile spaceship called Earth. Every life, every culture, every dream is part of a single, interconnected journey through the stars. The Atlas urges us to see ourselves as one species, children of the same star. It calls us to unity, to empathy, and to a sense of wonder that transcends our differences. Its message: you've been thinking too small. The universe is vast, and so is the potential within each of us, waiting to be awakened. Our potential is vast, but we're trapped in cycles that threaten our future. The Atlas reminds us that we can break free, if only we dare to imagine a different path. The Atlas is a mirror, reflecting our promise and our folly. It shows us both what we are, and what we might become if we choose to learn. It won't solve our problems, only inspire us to do so. The answers must come from within, from our willingness to change and to grow. The choice is ours. Ignore the message, or embrace a new beginning. The Atlas offers us a vision, but it is up to us to make it real. The Atlas offers a key, but we must turn it. The future is not predetermined. It is shaped by our actions, our courage, and our willingness to step into the unknown. Our future depends on our courage to open the door. The Atlas waits, not as a threat, but as a guide, reminding us that the next chapter of our story is ours to write. I am forever changed. The night sky is now a map of possibilities. Each star, each distant light feels like an invitation to dream bigger than ever before. The universe, once a mystery, now feels like a story waiting for us to read its next chapter. This awakening is for all of humanity. No matter where we come from, we share the same sky, the same sense of wonder. Our differences fade beneath the stars, replaced by a shared curiosity and hope for what lies beyond. The Atlas marks the end of our childhood as a species. We are stepping out of the shadows of ignorance and into the light of understanding, ready to embrace our place in the cosmos. We're invited to join the cosmic conversation at last. For the first time, our voices and questions may echo across the stars, reaching out to whatever may be listening. Our goals must grow, no more fighting over scraps but building a future worthy of this new vision. We must channel our creativity and resources into progress, innovation, and unity, striving for achievements that benefit all. Our children will know we are not alone. Other worlds are within reach. Their dreams will be filled with possibilities we could only imagine, and their futures will be shaped by the discoveries we make today. Science, art, and philosophy will be reborn with purpose. Each discipline will find new meaning as we seek to understand our place in the universe, inspiring generations to come. We must become better stewards of Earth and unite as a global community. Our planet is our home, and caring for it is the first step toward reaching the stars together. The challenges are immense, but now we have a reason that transcends ourselves. Our journey will be difficult, but the promise of discovery and connection gives us strength. We are part of something vast, and that knowledge should inspire us. The universe is not just a backdrop, but a stage on which we can play our part. This is not an ending, but the beginning of humanity's next great chapter. The dawn of a new era is upon us, filled with hope, courage, and endless possibility. The stars are calling, and for the first time, we are ready to answer. Our journey has just begun, and the universe awaits our arrival.